And now moving on. Now, in a high-profile escalation between the centre and the West Bengal government, the Supreme Court is set to shortly hear a petition filed by the Enforcement Directorate alleging interference and obstruction in its search operations at the Kolkata offices and residents linked to I-PAC, Indian Political Action Committee. Now, the political consultancy firm associated with the Trinamool Congress. Sambhav Sharma is joining me with more details. Sambhav, what more can you tell us?
Well, here, this particular matter, ED versus Mamata case in the Supreme Court. The two-judge bench of the Supreme Court will hear this case today. Shortly after some time, the bench of Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra and Vipul Pancholi, the two-judge bench of the Supreme Court, will hear the Enforcement Directorate's petition, and also, the petition by the ED is alleged that obstruction in the search at I-PAC office by the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, and FIR should be registered against her and many top police officials there in the state of West Bengal. Also, there is a demand for a Central Bureau of Investigation probe into this whole case. The hearing which happened yesterday in the Kolkata High Court was very crucial in the sense that Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju, who appeared in the Kolkata High Court for Enforcement Directorate, said very clearly that there was no seizure of documents or evidence from the I-PAC office. On the other hand, if something is seized, it was seized by West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. So this was the statement when TMC Council asked the court to take it on record. The court has taken this particular statement on record. And now, very crucial hearing on the same matter on Enforcement Directorate's petition in the Supreme Court is to begin shortly. And State of West Bengal has filed a caveat earlier that if the Supreme Court is going to hear this particular case, the Enforcement Directorate's petition, there are two petitions of the Enforcement Directorate in the Supreme Court where this two-judge bench will hear the case. So if ED's case is being heard by the Supreme Court, then this should also be made the party, as in the State of West Bengal should also be made party to it. So there is this case. Now both parties will put forth their arguments in the Supreme Court, and it is to be seen, but the two-judge bench of the top court says next. And hearing is likely to begin probably in the 25-30 minutes from now.
Stay on with me, Sambhav. Now, moreover, the Enforcement Directorate has demanded the immediate suspension of West Bengal's top police officers, including Director General of Police Rajiv Kumar, along with disciplinary action against other senior officials. The ED's plea, part of its broader writ petition under Article 32, accuses the state police leadership of serious misconduct, non-cooperation and obstruction during the January 8, 2026 raids at the Kolkata offices and residence of I-PAC Director Prateek Jain. Sambhav, what more can you tell us about this? All right, PM Modi's